This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be I got my cowboy boots on, shorts, but this is gonna be the biggest storm since that tornado I told you about earlier today. That's not a wall cloud. That's not a wall cloud. I know. Looked like a wall cloud though, but it's not low enough. You're not gonna be able to make it down. Oh! Holy crap! You're making lunch. Oh! Holy crap! Campbelltown.
Campbelltown, son. That's Campbelltown.
I'm just getting low. Oh! Oh!
Where are we getting?
Ah!
Are we up to the other side of the road? Yo, this storm got potential.
Yeah. Well, it's gonna go south for you. It's only gonna get me. Oh! Holy crap! I got that. Hey, let's go in.
Oh boy.
We're going in. Go down to the basement. Down to the basement. Down to the basement. Lightning's getting really close to us. Getting in the basement. In my boots. In the basement. In my boots. 36.6. Arugas. Fire alarm. Holy crap. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa! Look at that. Whoa! Ah! 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 Look at this! Look at this storm! Get back in here. Whoa! 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 Pager going off. Whoa! Wind shift! Wind shift! Wind shift!
I just saw that too.
But they're still playing?
Yeah.
Tornado warning in progress. That's where I am! This is the first time I was in my basement. First storm, first time in my basement. Tornado warning. That's me. Where, what time? Now?
I hear a train coming. There's train tracks out there.
Do you hear a train? Do you hear that?
The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a tornado warning for western Lancaster County and south central Pennsylvania, southern Dauphin County and central Pennsylvania until 1:30 p.m. At 1 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The storm containing the possible tornado was near progress, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. The tornado will be near Clifton, Middletown around 1:10 p.m.
The reason I hesitated, received another severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County and southern Lebanon County. I know that's not quite an area.
34. They're going to a tornado warning.
They just issued another tornado warning.
Tornado siren.
So they take out the next stone? Do you want to go with them?
It's just a tornado warning siren.
Oh. Is that what that is?
Yeah, that's way too long.
See how long it's going?
Yeah.
Tornado sirens are going off. Tornado sirens are still going off. We exited the basement. He's got it. See?
Dude.
We got two people confirming the TMI sirens going off. Can't even hear the cyclone. Gotta love it. How about that, Renee?